So here we have these 3M Extract Net Sanding Discs. Now I've been using these for about a year now, and these are by far the best sandpaper discs I've ever used. When I first used these 3M Net discs, I instantly noticed how much different and more efficient they were compared to normal sanding discs. I got most of the grits all the way from 80 to 220, and I had 320, but I ran out of it. Anyway, instead of the solid discs that you'd normally use, these are a net, so you can actually see through them, which helps a lot with dust collection. And the actual grit material on this lasts a lot longer and seems to work a lot quicker than the solid sanding discs that I used before. I don't have any of the solid discs left to test it against, but here you can see just how fast this 120 grit erases this pencil line. And just a quick tip, these mats are really helpful for sanding. They're made of foam and they absorb the vibrations so your workpiece doesn't buzz around all over your table. And this is the DCT Heavy Duty Safety Mat. So if you're still using the solid discs with your orbital sander, then I'd say it's well worth it to get the assorted grits pack of these. And if you're anything like me, once you try these things out, you're not going to want to switch back.